This is just how lazy my dog is. He's so fat. He's just sitting there watching the birds take his food. I thought I had to show that. He's watching me because he knows what I'm doing. You know. Sue me. Attack the birds, please. You're making me look bad here. People on YouTube are going to think, you know, they could just come in my house and rob it. You know what? Let's go through the window. Check it out. See if we can see it from here, but it's harder. I don't want to scare the birds. There they are. See? Some got scared already. There's the birds. They're, feet away from him. Yet he doesn't care. They're more scared by me taping them. So, are you gonna do something? Okay. What you doing, Max? You're not gonna help him? There's another dog that just doesn't do anything.